What's going on? Howdy, Miss Gresham. We're going to go ahead and get this digital electronics on the road. Alright, today we're working our segment display, kind of a tongue twister. Alright, first we're going to do 0, so we're going to close all the gates. There we go, we got 0. This class is so loud. Anyways, we're going to stop this, open this one up, and we should have 1. Booyah, we got 1. Alright, we're going to stop that again. To get 2, we close this and open this. We got 2. To do 3, we open these 2. We get 3. For 4, we close these. Open this. There we go, 4. For 5, we open. Hold up. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and close that, open that. We should get 5. There we go. To get 6, close, open, close. 6. 7, we go ahead and this is the only one that will be left. So these ones are all like that. We got 7. To get 8, close all these. Open that one. There we go, got 8. For 9, open that one. There's 9. For 10, we are going to close this one and open this one. Wait, hold up. 10, we ain't got no 10. This is only 7 segments. We don't care about the rest. Alright, so there you have it. We did everything for the 7-segment display. Thank you for tuning in and wasting your time watching this video, and see you again.